Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing your data. Copy essential files to an external drive and confirm the copy is open. Once done, power down the computer and unplug every cable, safety first. Make sure to ground yourself because static can fry components. Open the case or access panel, then remove the HDD mounting screws and disconnect the SATA power and data cables carefully. You're creating space for the new drive. Label cables or take a photo so you remember exact placements. Now you physically install the SSD. If your SSD is 5 inches and the bay is 5, attach the supplied bracket or adapter. This keeps the drive stable. Carefully connect the SATA data cable to an available motherboard port and plug the SATA power connector from the power supply. Once connected, seat the SSD in the drive bay and fasten the screws. Make sure cables are routed away from any fans. After securing everything, close the case but do not power on yet. We'll configure next. Power on and enter the BIOS or UEFI to confirm the motherboard detects the new SSD and set the SATA mode and boot order accordingly. If you clone the old drive, verify the clone completed and that partitions are aligned. Otherwise, begin a fresh OS install on the SSD for best performance. Once the system boots from the SSD, install chipset and storage drivers, then update the SSD firmware if recommended. If the drive isn't detected, recheck cables and try a different SATA port or power connector.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.